Let's start our video lesson from distance learning. For today I chose a professional cookie, second course, 200 group. Today we have the professional English. Our theme, provision and registration of first, second courses and salads. About first and second course I write in the lecture. The presentation will be about the salads. Aims of the lesson: to introduce students with provision and registration of first, second and salads, to improve their reading and writing skills with the help of translate the text task. Expected results: two will know the provision and the registration of first, second and salads, and importance of decoration when we prepare it for the banquet. To understand the presentation of first, second and salads is very important, and grammar rules and the new vocabulary to translate correctly. To use taken knowledge at home or at the practice when we prepare the meal for the guests or family members. The presentation of any dish and its design should be very neat. At the edges of dishes, bowls, vases, plates, salad bowl, there should be no trace for dressing or sauce. Decor elements are usually made only of food products and no more than half an hour before serving, so that they don't lose freshness. First way, we have the two way of registration salad. Yes, first way, the products are cut into the thin slices, mixed, seasoned with sauce or dressing, laid down in a salad bowl, a vase or on a plate, and decorated with the products that make up the salad. Registration of salads, second way. Second way will be divided into 7 parts. The first part is vegetable and greens are cut. The second, a part of the products is mixed, seasoned with mayonnaise and put in a slide in a salad bowl or vase. Thin slices of meat, poultry, fish, crabs, slices or slices of eggs are laid on a hill of lettuce, depending on the components of the salads. The remaining products are placed around the slide in small heaps. Eggs are cut into slices with a special device. In the middle of a salad slide, place a sprig of parsley of lettuce. Before serving, vegetables laid around the hill are watered with dressing or sauce. Salad sauce can be served separately in gravy bowl. Let's step on the introduction of salads. Yes, salad is a dish consisting of pieces of food in a mixture with at least one raw ingredient. It's often dressed and is typically served at room temperature or chilled, so some such as sauce German potato salad or chicken salad can be served as warm. We will start on a type of salad. Types, I choose the 3 types of salad. The first is a green salad or garden salad. Is most often composed of leafy vegetables such as lettuce varieties, spinach or rocket. The next is a wedge salad. Wedge salad is a specific type of green salad made from a heat or lettuce, often iceberg, halved or quashed with other ingredients on top. The next is a fruit salad. Fruit salads are made of fruit in the culinary sense, which may be fresh or canned. Examples include fruit cocktail. The next is a rice and pasta salad. Rice and pasta may be used as the key ingredients to making a salad. Pasta salads are more common. Some examples of the rice salads come from the Thai cuisine, like nasi ulam. This is a picture of the nasi ulam. In conclusion, I want to say about interesting facts also and records about salads. On 4th September 2016, the largest recorded salad, weighing 2,100 kilograms, was created in Red Square, Moscow, Russia, by Mosedinius Travel. It was a Greek salad consisting of tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, olives, feta cheese, olive oil, oregano, and salt. Let's watch tasks to fix our knowledge, taken knowledge. Task right. In the lecture we watch 5 rules of perfect salad. Here you should to add other through perfect rules of salad. I give only 2 perfect ways of salad. There is a don't add salt when cooking. Why? You should to write why. Бірінші тапсырмада салаттың берілу жолдарында қандай қателіктер кетірмеу керек. Лекцияда мен бердім бірінші, екінші жолын. Мына жерде қалған 3 жолы бар. Сол 3 жолына негізгі ойды тауып жазу. Яғни тұзды салатқа бірінші салмау. Тұзды салатқа бірінші салмау. Не себепті салмау керек, соны жазасында. Principle consists of salam dressing will preserve. Яғни негізгі құндылықтарын сақтап қалу үшін не істеу керек, қандай принциптер бар, соны жазу керек. Яғни негізгі ароматтарды қолдану керек, қандай жағдайда. Екінші тапсырма. Second task. Second course. Яғни екінші тағам жайлы текст, осы текстті аударып, осы текстпен жұмыс жасау. Thank you for your attention. The lesson is over.